Okay, so there we have our paints, 3 tins of paint all consolidated into one, all good brands, so it should be fine. Let's just put the lid back on that. So what I'm going to do now is, although I've only freshly skimmed these ceilings, I'm still going to just give them a very light blast over while I'm here, just to remove any little nibs and things that may be there. Just got this attachment here, let me show you this. I bought this off of Amazon, I think. Just this little attachment here, and it takes the same size sanding pads as that big thing I was using yesterday, the big electric one. But this is great just to give it everything a little denib. So I've just got a little bit of 240 paper on here, and all I'm going to do is literally just very gently just scoot across the ceiling like that, and just take any potential little nibs off before I paint it. So I'm going to spray this anyway. For fuck's sake, this fucking thing's driving me mad. What the fuck is that in there? Not too much to show you today really, it was just painting. There's probably a lot of audio of me swearing at my sprayer. My little sprayer, there must have been a bit of a blockage in the hose or something. It was absolutely driving me mad, and I'll see if there's any audio, because I have my little mic thing on of me swearing at it. Might be worth a laugh, but other than that, yeah, so all the ceilings have had 2 coats of spray. All woodworks had a prime undercoat, so that's all had a prime. All downstairs there, all the handrail. Walls have all had a roll. Another bit of fill around these dodgy parts. That's all been rolled. Ceilings have come out lovely though, really, with the sprayer. It's just drying off at the minute still, so it might look a bit patchy. Yes, that's that one down there, that little bit there. Again, all woodwork has all been primed and undercoated with a Zinza primer undercoat. Another ceiling all sprayed up. So we'll let that dry and then we'll be back in the morning. Our radiators have had a spray. Window sills have just had a wash, but they look good enough really. I don't think I can make them any better. But we will. And that's it really, so not a great deal to show you for anyone that's following. Oh, and if anyone did watch yesterday, I did say that I was going to put guards on the bare plaster, but I couldn't find none anywhere. Brewers were completely out of stock, and Toolstation and Screwfix don't seem to sell it. They sell Peel Stop, which is a similar product, but it's not the same product. You wouldn't use that for that. So yeah, guards wasn't available to me, so I had to just make do with miscoats and things like that. I can see a bit of a patch there. It's going to need another little go over tomorrow. But anyway, I'll see you tomorrow. 7 o'clock on a Friday morning, coffee in hand. I'm gonna leave the house. See you later, cat. Meow. And alright, let's turn these lights off before I get told off. That's it. Yeah, that's how dark it is, isn't it? Horrible. Alright, shut the front door. Shut the front door. That's what they say now, isn't it? Shut the front door. I think that's to replace shut the fuck up. I say shut the front door. Right, let's get out of here. Chilly one this morning, for us anyway. It's about 15 degrees, which is quite chilly, because we've had it pretty good lately. But here we go. The winter feels like it's really kicking in. Alright, there you are. You're in my phone holder. Have I taken the keys out? Yes, keys are there. Right, let's get to work, peeps, and I'll see you at the job, my peeps. So I couldn't really do too much filming and talking today. The couple were working from home, so I would have been well in earshot. So I just thought I'd video this wall. This is a wall I filled yesterday in preparation to rub down and paint. But when I just looked at it, it was such a bad wall. It was really badly plastered. I just thought it's quicker if I plaster it really than spend all that time filling and rubbing down. It never looks any good. So just put a little bit of PVA on it, get it plastered up for Friday afternoon, which is today, and then that'll be ready for a coat of paint on Monday. So that was that really. Oh, it's just my little Henry thing. Look, I just got the Mercer attachment. It slots into the end of your hoover and you get the hose with it, and then I put it on this little sander, which has obviously got holes in it, and then the hoover just sucks all the dust through. It's brilliant. Anyway, there's that wall plastered. Well, halfway through it. Obviously it's not polished up at that stage, but so that's about it really. That's all I've got to show you on that job. Thanks for sticking with me. It wasn't too exciting. Right, it's Friday afternoon at last, and I'm just looking at jobs. I've just looked at one on the way through, and I've got to stop in a minute and look at another one. One of them was some inside work, a couple of ceilings to be skimmed, hall stairs, landing, only the ceilings though. And then he also wants a garage wall dot and dabbed with a insulated board and skimmed. And then this one up here I'm just going to look at is a patch of rendering or something. So we'll see. Not really the right time of year for rendering, but it's not far from where I live, and if it's just a little patch, they're nice little jobs, aren't they? Sort of not too much hard work, more drying time than anything. So I shall go and have a look at that. And indeed, look at that, I did. And I'll put the picture up on screen or alongside me somewhere, and you'll see this patch of render. It's only a little job, but they've rendered over another load of render, and both layers are quite thick, and it seems like it's letting go of quite a lot. So it's just going to be a patching, because I don't want to start disturbing it. There's some quite intricate detail. There's like a rendered, like an arch made out of sand and cement as well. I don't really want to get involved, so I might just patch it up. But it looks like they're probably going to have problems in the future. It's quite a big house as well. It looks like there's a can of worms waiting under there, and I don't want to be nowhere near it. And if I don't speak to you until then, I will speak to you on Monday. I'll be back at the job I've just left to either be painting walls or fitting doors. Anyway, have a good weekend, everybody, and I'll speak to you soon.